Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So the job site I'm working at, the stairs, the final cost of these stairs is $800,000 for this school that I'm working at. A little bit ridiculous, if I do say so myself. It looks pretty cool. They're lighted, stainless steel entirely up the whole thing with some kind of wood finish on top of the handrails. $1 per square foot, $1 per linear square foot of stainless steel, or something like that. Or no, I think it was $300 per linear foot of stainless steel. As you can see, there's a lot of it. Anyways, moving on. That was crazy to figure that out. Anyways, left a couple of these ceiling tiles down in the library for tomorrow to finish this off. I think we have to add another wire into this box on the other side of the wall because we're running two circuits, one for this wall and one for the computers. So left a couple of the ceiling tiles out, but we did manage to get two of the datas down here to their location, and added this MC down here for the cut-in box. So I'll have a plug down here and two datas for some computers, and then also worked on running 4 more wires, 4 more data runs from the IDF room down around the corner, at the edge of that corner down there, straight ahead, all the way down around the corner. And the wire is sitting up on top of this ducting down here above the exit sign. We are working on getting that wire inside, drilling the hole and piping into this room, but we ran out of the day. Also worked on a few other things. Alright guys, so like I said, I worked on a few other things, and that was mainly just taking the 135 foot coils of wire from the hallway from Friday and ran those down the office hallway and then into their location in the wall, down the wall, and then back up through the junction pull box, and then back up into their 4 locations. If I showed you that the other day, I probably didn't, so this probably doesn't make sense to you. But that's what we worked on today. The day went by really smoothly. It went really nice, and like I didn't say, we ran the wire down the cable tray, and then we strapped it with all their Velcro straps. We went back and unstrapped them and added our wire in and restrapped it, so that took some time as well. Anyways, like I said, everything went really nicely. They went by really fast. Working with the other apprentice, everything was great. The guy is great. He's a great guy. I don't know why I keep saying great, but anyways, really good to work with this other apprentice. Not that the other one was any bad or anything, but just getting stuff done, no complaints, just doing stuff that I didn't really want to do, not really like pushing it on him, but like he'd always carry ladders and tools and stuff like that, so it was super nice. I feel like in the union, they put more of an emphasis on apprentices to do like grunt work, so like journeymen don't have to do as much like physical work, so that's kind of cool. I feel like a non-union you kind of share, you just do half and half, but I feel like more union, they put more of emphasis on making apprentices do stuff, so that's kind of cool. Now that I'm not an apprentice anymore. So anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It would help the channel out, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Don't forget to check the description down below for anything else like social medias, video playlist, gamer tag, Fortnite, anything like that, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.